What's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here from GuitarJams.com. Ready to bring you a favorite tune of mine. I'm surprised I haven't taught it yet. I apologize, but here we go. We'll zoom in, break down the chords, and have a good time doing it. Oh, also, if you're trying to get, learning guitar, strumming is one of those first obstacles. My buddy, this, awesome LA session guitar player, Tim Pierce, he created a really high-quality strumming lesson that I got a link for down there, and I really appreciate you doing that extra thing for me, that extra step. Thank you so much, and follow me on Facebook, all that stuff, links below. Let's zoom in and break this one down. Here we go. All right, so this song's in the key of G major, so we've got a G chord. The song kind of revolves around. And we've got this little lick, and it's called sixths is the term. Harder to say than play, actually. But it comes from this little lick intro, comes from a G major chord. And it's the 7th fret on the G string and the 7th fret on the high E. And we're going to alternate those. G, G, E, E. So you double up on the E there at the second time. Check it out. G, E, G, E, E. And you can let it ring out. G, E, G, E, E. So after you do that, you hit the open B. And then the open high E, so this finger comes off, and you have to go after that thing. So G, E, G, E, and then watch when I put it together into a lick. Speed it up a little bit. So then there's this G strumming that's just going to go down, up, 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 down, up. And you can do that lick with the G strumming. So here it is again real slow. Now we've got this up and down strumming on a G chord, okay, just like that, and then that's the start of the song. Do 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 do. G G G G G G G G G G C B minor A minor. So that next section starts with a C chord, then is a B minor bar chord, 2nd fret bar. A minor looking shape there, and A minor. G, 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 C, B minor, A minor. Now a little cheat on that B minor is you could do this classic walk down. So, if bar chords are still a struggle, you could play this. Take your ring finger off, middle finger moves up to the 2nd fret of the A string, and you play that instead of a B minor, and it'll work. Check it out. Here's the chorus. G, E7, G, E7, G, 7G. Now, when I play, I don't usually stick to just one pattern the whole time, but I know people that are learning guitar kind of need a little bit of that discipline to just keep getting better. So I would say sometimes it's okay to just feel it a little bit, but you can always go back to that down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up for this song in particular. So, we're on our way home. Back to D's, I'm playing a D7, which is like an upside down D in fancy terms. But you could play a regular D if you needed to. On our way home. Now there's a bridge, and these are a little bit harder bar chords, but this is how you play it. It's B flat major, which I'm playing right here, barring the 1st fret and then the ring finger. You could also play B flat major barring the 6th fret and getting that shape right there. Like that. All right, so B flat to D minor, which I'm going to play right here. 2nd, 3rd, 1st. Then a G minor, which is a 3rd fret bar, E minor looking shape. And then an A minor. And so what happens on this A minor is you can take your middle and ring finger off for the last 2 counts and then go to a D7. So it'd be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the other chords of that bridge are for 4 counts each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor, 2, 3, 4. G minor, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. was the lesson. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I had fun teaching it to you. Thanks for hanging out again. Hope to see you in another video whenever you come across me. I appreciate it. And got those links down there for you to check out. Other than that, have a great day or night or morning, and we'll see you later.